Look what we got. The new iPhone 7 Plus. You know, when you receive your iPhone and you can't find the headphone jack, you know what to do with the shitty phone. And we like to listen to our sweet press music, so this phone is not anymore. When your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you know what to do with it. Just press it. Jävlar vad jag skjuter, ser du? Jävlar. Åh jävlar. iPhone sandwich. iPhone sandwich 7. Wait for the new iPhone sandwich 8. It's the new pocket iPhone. You can twist it. You can shape it. Whatever you want. And have it in your bag. Slå den lite mot. What the fuck is this? And you blame Samsung for bad phones. This is bad. It cannot handle the hydraulic press. Ja, det är verkligen fint att ta i kameran. Ja, det är det. Goodbye, Apple. Ja. Look at the small apple. Not so tough anymore. Nu kör vi på kameran. Yeah.
It's pretty fucked up.
This is the Apple quality.
This is what you got when you buy iPhone. I want to thank my mom, God, and all the other people that this didn't blow up. This is a big lithium battery. Oh my god.
Nej men du måste inte tappa. Nej men som man ser kameran, det var skitbra du hade förut.
Hey, don't talk about my mother. Thank you so much that we got this phone so many weeks after the release. Now all the other channels have already done this. But fuck that, we do it again.